Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool screen part #WPW10463906. Whirlpool screen part #WPW10463906 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washing machines. It is a plastic screen that fits over the water inlet valve and helps to prevent debris from entering the machine. The screen also helps to keep the water pressure balanced, which can help to improve the performance of the washing machine. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool models, including some of their top loaders and front loaders. It is important to make sure that this part is compatible with your specific model before ordering it. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement screen for a Whirlpool dishwasher. It is used to replace a cracked or broken screen on the dishwasher. It does not fix any specific symptoms, but it can help restore the dishwasher to its original condition. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the old screen to the washer cabinet. 3. Carefully remove the old screen and discard it. 4. Place the new screen in position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug in the power cord and turn on the washer to test your new screen installation. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.